Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you delete account on your app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go down, click here on library down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, you just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to your account. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on delete account, just click on it. You come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on delete. So then here automatically it's going to delete video on your app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking